Let's make some delicious whole wheat hamburger buns. You're gonna need 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, you want to give that a stir, wait 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This is what mine looks like after about 7 minutes, and as long as there's some activity, you're good. 1/4 cup of honey, 1/3 cup avocado oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, I'm using kosher salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, unbleached all-purpose flour, two cups of whole wheat flour, I want to mix it around. It will form into a dough, so be patient. So this is what mine looks like so far. Trust the process. Put your dough on the surface on top of the flour, and I'm going to cut this in 8. Now I'm going to take a piece of my dough and I'm just going to flatten it, and then after that I'm going to just fold it in. And it's not going to look like perfect on the bottom. It's going to look ugly on the bottom. And you just want to make it into a little ball. Just like that. Then put it to the side. And just repeat. But make sure that if it is sticky, you want to have it on top of the flour so it doesn't stick to your hands. And some may look bigger than the others, which is fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you're not selling it, don't have to be perfect. This is what it looks like. Now, if one is bigger than the other, that's fine. We still have to wait until they rise. So we're gonna let them sit for 25 minutes to rise. Put it somewhere warm. I like to turn on the light in the oven and put it in there. Make sure your oven is turned off. Make sure that you take them out of the oven before you preheat your oven. Otherwise, you're gonna cook your dough with your towel or whatever that you cover it with. You wanna preheat your oven to 425 degrees. This is what they look like out of the oven. Now, I'm going to be putting them on a cooling rack. After they cool, I'm gonna cut into them so you know what the inside looks like. Now, if you are impatient and you already have hamburgers already cooked and you wanna make a sandwich, you can cut them and then eat them right away. Or you can have them cool down like I'm gonna do until I get my hamburgers cooked. I know I showed you what they look like already in the beginning, but I'm gonna show you what they look like now too. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I just cut into them. This is what they look like inside. So fluffy. Look how gorgeous this looks. Now that you made your sandwich, don't come for me. I don't have any lettuce to put on my sandwich, and I don't have any fries to go on the side. This is what I got, and this is what I'm gonna eat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.